As a SOLIDWORKS user, you expect the best out of your software when it comes to customization, performance, and working with others. SOLIDWORKS 2023 significantly improves the user experience. Communicating with your team on a project is vital to success, and a great way to do this is through comments. In SOLIDWORKS 2023, comments are enhanced to improve usability. You can now emphasize text using the bold, italic, or underline modifiers. Adding a screenshot to the comment is just a click away. You can add images from your local machine to give your comment even more context. The background color can be changed as well, so others understand the priority at a glance. These labels can, of course, be customized to add even more clarity. If a comment is critical, you can set them to appear when the document is open. It's no secret that SOLIDWORKS has the most customizable interface of any CAD application. Have you customized too much? Or maybe you just want a fresh start. You can now more easily restore the default settings in SOLIDWORKS 2023. Each tab of the customized window has a Reset to Defaults button that allows you to reset that specific tab setting, the command manager, or all customizations. And of course, we have to talk about performance. The render system, released in 2019 to improve frame rates during pan, zoom, and rotate, has been dramatically optimized. We listened to user feedback and resolved many issues. You'll now have greater reliability with the Enhanced Graphics Performance box checked, so that you can realize the faster frame rates when viewing large assemblies or parts with complex geometry. A better user experience means improved productivity. Customizing the user interface, communicating effectively, and improving frame rates allows you and your team to speed through your designs. Communicating with your team becomes even more effective when storing your data on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. All credentialed stakeholders have access to view content and can even make markups using any device with an internet connection. These markups are stored with the data and shared directly, so the right person has access to the right data at the right time.